Ready for a change? These 20 shortcuts instantly lift your look. Ultra-Chic Classic Pixie. This timeless cut balances facial features beautifully, making it perfect for women over 50 who want to effortlessly frame a prominent bone structure. Texturized Voluminous Bob. Ideal for women over 60 with fine hair. This layered style builds instant volume at the crown and adds youthfulness to the overall look. Edgy Spiky Crop. This bold cut suits daring personalities over 50, effectively drawing attention upward away from the jawline to enhance high cheekbones. Asymmetric Pixie Bob. Perfect for round face shapes over 60. The uneven lengths create an elongating illusion that visually slims and modernizes the face. Wispy Layered Crop with Bangs. A brilliant choice for softening forehead wrinkles while giving coarse hair a much lighter, manageable, and playful texture. Tapered Silver Pixie. This sophisticated cut embraces natural gray tones beautifully, providing a sharp and clean neckline that looks freshly styled every day. Choppy Chin-Length Bob. An excellent choice for women over 50 with square jaws, as the textured chin-length pieces soften angular lines and add movement. Messy Textured Pixie. The ultimate wash-and-go solution for busy women over 60, offering a youthful, carefree vibe that requires minimal morning styling. Shaggy Short Bob. This cut works wonders for naturally wavy hair, enhancing natural movement while giving a modern, relaxed silhouette to mature faces. Sharp Blunt Bob. Perfect for women over 50 with straight, thinning hair, as the straight-across blunt edge creates an illusion of extreme thickness and health. Layered Pixie Bob. The ideal transitional cut for those who want the ease of a pixie but love the soft, face-framing layers of a classic short bob. Curly Tapered Cut. Specifically designed to structure natural curls over 60, preventing the dreaded triangle shape, while keeping sides neat and polished. Razor Cut Textured Crop. An edgy, modern look for women over 50 that breaks up thick hair weight, providing a feathered finish that softens strong facial features. Ear-Length Cropped Pixie. The ultimate solution for severely thinning hair over 60, as minimal length prevents hair from separating and exposes a bold, confident attitude. Sleek Side-Swept Pixie. An elegant option for formal occasions, the sleek asymmetry flatters oval and heart face shapes over 50 by highlighting the eyes. Voluminous Tapered Shag. Combines shorter crown layers with a tapered neck to give fine hair over 60 an instant lift that counteracts facial sagging. Choppy Pixie with Long Bangs. The long piecey bangs are spectacular for framing the eyes and narrowing the upper half of a heart-shaped face over 50. Wispy Chin-Length Bob. Provides an ultra-feminine, soft silhouette that adds fullness to thin hair without needing extensive styling or heavy product. Tapered Pixie with Crown Volume. Perfect for women over 60 who want to stand taller, as the height at the crown visually elongates the neck and slims the silhouette. Textured Asymmetric Bob. A modern, artistic choice for women over 50 that breaks the symmetry of aging features, creating an instantly fashionable and youthful vibe.